Welcome to Learn by Choice. In this video, we are going to talk about the NPS and what are the various transaction fee you pay while depositing money into NPS. So NPS is a very premium retirement product which offers multiple benefits, not only in terms of the transaction fee, but also in terms of the lower investment management fee. So NPS accounts you open not only for saving tax, but also for building your retirement corpus. So NPS customers can be classified into broad three categories, A, B, C. So the category A are the customers who are opening their NPS account through the eNPS. So eNPS is the online channel provided by NPS Trust for the benefit of the NPS customers. Through eNPS you can open new account and also you can contribute, and also you can check your balance and so many other facilities. And the next category of customers are POP customers. For example, you open the account through a bank or maybe a brokerage firm or through an NBFC. So you are classified under category B. Then the C category is basically the customers who open their account through their corporate. For example, you are working in a bank or maybe in an IT firm, then you open the account through the employer. So they are classified under C. So there are three kinds of customers and three kinds of transaction fee each subscriber is subject to. For example, in eNPS, for example, you open the account through eNPS, you don't pay any charges, any transaction fee, whether through the net banking of your bank or through the D-Remit, you don't pay any charge. And there is a new methodology introduced, which is Bharat Pay. Through Bharat Pay, there are small transaction fee which you pay to the service providers, but otherwise you don't pay any charges to the intermediaries of PFRDA under Bharat Pay also. Then the POP customers, wherein you pay charges 0.5% of your contributions if you are depositing the money through the bank or through the brokerage firms, and 0.2%. For example, you have opened the account through a POP, but you are using eNPS channel or D-Remit channel for depositing. There you pay only 0.2%. The corporate customers, so those who are under C category, they pay 0.5% of the contributions, whatever they deposit through the POP. To the POP they pay the charges, and for the contributions for the corporate customers through D-Remit, there is no charges. So let me explain with the worksheet. Here I am talking about the B category customers. This worksheet is only for the category B customers, who are the customers who have opened their account through a POP. So for example, here a POP customer, he is going to eNPS for contributing, and the next set is he is using the POP for contributions. So for eNPS mode, the transaction fee will be 0.2% of the contributions, minimum 15 rupees. Whereas if you are using the POP channel, you pay 0.5%, minimum is 30 rupees. And for the eNPS, the maximum charge is 10,000 rupees, whereas for the POP, its maximum charge is 25,000 rupees. And there is a minimum charge also. For eNPS, it is 15 rupees, and for POP contributions, the minimum charge is 30 rupees. Let us say that you deposit 5,000 rupees. So 0.2% comes somewhere around 10 rupees. So, but you will be paying 15 rupees because the minimum transaction fee is 15 rupees. If you go to the POP, you pay 30 rupees. So even though your charges are 25 rupees, but you will be paying 30 rupees. So you deposit 10,000 rupees. Here for eNPS mode, it is 20 rupees. For POP, if you are depositing the money through a POP, you will be paying 50 rupees. If you are paying 50,000 rupees, you pay 100 rupees if you are using eNPS, and you will be using 250 rupees if you are using the POP for transaction. Credit card also is allowed by PFRDA for depositing contributions. Credit cards can be used only in Tier 1 accounts. So you know Tier 1 and Tier 2 accounts. So Tier 1 account is your main retirement account, whereas Tier 2 account is merely an investment account. So Tier 2 account you cannot use credit card, whereas Tier 1 you can use credit cards. But the credit card, the charges are little bit on the higher side, which you will be paying to the service providers, whether it is a Razorpay or BillDesk. They are the payment collection agencies. You pay 0.75% plus GST 18%. So for 5,000 rupees, if you want to deposit into your Tier 2 through a credit card, you will be paying 37.5 rupees plus GST. And for 10,000 rupees, you will be paying 75 rupees. And for 50,000 rupees, you will be paying 375 rupees plus GST 18%. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And your subscription to our channel will help us and motivate us to do more and more videos. So as I mentioned to you, if you are accounts opened only through eNPS, you don't pay any charges to any agencies. So there is a zero transaction provided the account is opened through eNPS. So let me also explain to you how to generate this DREMIT ID, how to open account eNPS, how to contribute. So there is a agency under PFRDA which is called NPS Trust. So you visit this website NPS.Org.in. Go here NPS.Org.in. Here you click this online services. Here you can check your NPS holdings, open NPS account, log into NPS account, contribute to NPS. Let me click one. For example, you want to contribute to the NPS. So click here and then it shows three options. So in NPS there are three kind of agencies, technology partners. They are called central record keeping agencies. You select KFinTech, CAMS, Protean. So you may be a customer of any one of these agencies. For example, if you are a CAMS customer, then you click CAMS, then you can further proceed. And if you are a KFinTech customer, you click it and further proceed. And if you are a Protean customer, you click it and go. So recently PFRDA introduced Bharat Pay. So this is a platform provided by National Payment Corporation. By tying up with Bharat Pay, PFRDA has provided another option to the NPS customer to deposit, to set up standing instruction for auto debit. By this platform, you can also contribute by just putting your date of birth and mobile number. Even though you don't know your NPS account number, you can transact. Here, there is a transaction fee of 50 paisa per transaction, irrespective of the amount. And for auto debit, for example, SIP you are trying to set up under NPS, for each transaction you pay 50 rupees. And for setting up of the SIP or auto debit instruction for monthly or quarterly options, you pay one-time fee of 4 rupees and plus GST also applicable. Thank you for watching and by choice.